When you try to open any app, you can see this error. Continue with short ad problem or your trusted insurance guide problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, click on settings. If this method not working, then scroll, swipe down notification bar, then click on settings from here, then tap on apps, then click on HD video downloader, tap on it. You can see that there is no uninstall option. Scroll down, then tap on home app, then go back to your phone launcher, pixel launcher, system launcher, or any other launcher. Tap on it. Long press, then tap on app info, or tap on uninstall, then okay. Now I hope that this method fix continue with short ad or your trusted insurance guide problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.